Hi friends, and welcome to yet another video. In this video we are going to look at how to earn free BNB without investing. But before we dive straight into the video, I would like to first of all invite you to kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification icon so that you will continue to receive notification from this channel. So as I said, we are going to look at how to earn free BNB without investing. Alright guys, so now the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have your web browser open and then go to this website called risex.net. Once you tap the website link in the address bar, then you will be brought to this page. This is the home page of the website. On this website you can mine Dogecoin, TRS, Litecoin and BNB for free. So in this video we are going to look at how you can do that. So once you are on the website, you can do two things. You can choose to go straight and register for an account, or you can scroll down and read much about their website before you can sign up for an account. And this website gives you free Dogecoin, TRS, BNB and Litecoin for free. So what we need to do first is to make sure you sign up for an account. I will leave the link to this website in the description below. All you need to do is to tap on it and then you will be taken to this website. So once you are here, you need to create an account. You come to the button here and click on register. Once you click on register, then you will be required to enter your email address and then create a password. Then you will verify the captcha and there you click on register. Once you click on register, they will send you a confirmation link on your email address. So make sure you use a correct email address so that in case of anything you can easily recover your account. So once you are done with the registration, then you will be taken to the page. In this case, I'm already having an account, so I'm going to log in to this and show you how you can begin to mine this free BNB. Alright guys, so now I'm logged into my account. As you can see, this is my account, and now once you are logged into the account, this is what you are going to see. As I said, you can mine free TRS, Litecoin, Dogecoin and BNB. So here, as you can see, I'm currently mining BNB. So once you are on this page, you can also choose to mine BNB or any of these coins. To begin mining, what you need to do is to come to this section that says mining. You click on it. Once you click on it, then you will be brought to this section. So once you are here, assuming you are going to mine TRS, all you need to do is to come to this section and drag it to the end. Then the TRS will begin to mine. But in this case, we are going to focus on BNB because that is one of the coin I prefer much on this website. So here, all you need to do is to come and drag the arrow to the end, and then the BNB will begin to start mining. But please, once the BNB start to mine, you will have to make sure you click on this button to save it, so that in case you log out, the BNB will continue to mine and you will not lose any of the BNB that you've so far mined on this website. So make sure you click on the save button before you can leave this page. So as you can see, currently this is my balance. I've just started mining this, and then you'll see this is the number of hash power I'm currently using for free. So this is a free mining platform. Everyone can mine TRS, Litecoin, Dogecoin or BNB. So I prefer BNB. That is why I'm mining BNB. And please, you can also mine the 4 coins at the same time. You can just drag each of them to the middle and all the 4 coins will be mined at the same time. But in order to get most out of this website, you have to focus on 1 coin at a time. That is why I'm currently focusing on BNB. So in your case, you can also choose to focus on any of these coins and then you can begin to mine. And please, once you reach the withdrawal target, which is $5 and above, you can come to this button where it says withdraw. Then you click on the withdraw, enter your BNB address or any of the coins address. Then your BNB or the coin you requested for the withdrawal will be sent to your wallet. And please, if you want to get more out of this website, you can choose to invest a small amount, and then you can have more hash power, and more hash power means more return on this website. So the choice is yours. You can choose to go for the free version, or you deposit a small amount, then you can have much return from this website. I hope you find this video helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.